Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start building credit with Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what credit is and why it is important. Credit is a measure of your ability to repay borrowed money. A good credit score can open doors to loans, credit cards, and even rental applications. Begin your credit journey by choosing a reputable credit card issuer. Capital One is a great option for beginners looking to build credit. Visit the Capital One website to explore their credit card offerings. Look for a card designed for individuals with no credit history. The Capital One Secured MasterCard is an excellent choice for new credit builders. Review the card requirements and ensure you meet them. Gather necessary documentation such as proof of identity and income. Apply for the card directly on the Capital One website. Fill out the online application form with accurate information. After submitting your application, wait for a decision from Capital One. If approved, you will receive your credit card in the mail within a few days. Once you have your card, it's important to use it responsibly. Make small purchases that you can afford to pay off immediately. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. This helps establish a positive payment history. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Monitor your credit usage to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means using less than 30% of your available credit. Consider using the Capital One mobile app to track your spending. Regularly check your credit score through services that offer free access. As time goes on, consider seeking a higher limit on your card. After a responsible usage period, you may qualify for a different card. Building credit takes time, so be patient and consistent. Stay informed about credit principles to further enhance your financial knowledge. Each positive action you take contributes to a strong credit profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.